Hi, welcome into the next lecture of Rethink AI, where we are aiming for greater success for you with the help of artificial intelligence. We are team Rethink AI, and we come up with one of the most amazing things, one of the most amazing lectures, findings, research for all of you. So far, if you have not subscribed, consider subscribing. And today's topic is really, you can say, magnificent because we are going to talk about what AI innovation will come in 2025 or what we can expect from 2025 and how the landscape of entire city and society will change forever. Okay, so let's focus on how future will unfold in 2025. So AI is going big this year, and 2025 really matters because in last 2 months, Jan and Feb, we had so much development that we have literally overtaken the growth of last 3 years combined. Okay, so artificial intelligence is not just sprinting anymore. It's going with breakthrough speed, or you can say escape velocity. This is literally big. The prices of artificial intelligence tools are going down. Speed is getting better. We have more token limit now, and most importantly, everything is getting open sourced. So let's review what will happen in next 10 months in 2025 and how from chatbots to world changers will react, whether it's OpenAI, Grok, Gemini, Copilot, how they are going to work. So what's hot here? Let's dive in. In the first 2 months, we had more development than we had in last 2 years, or we can say 3 years. Okay. And the number one thing which will buzz throughout this year is agent AI. Okay. AI that, what is agent AI? Agent AI is, let's say, artificial intelligence that works on your behalf and it does all the activities for you, just not just content writing or text creation, but everything for you. Okay, autonomous agent plan will execute like, let's say you want to travel, let's say you are from US, you are traveling to Europe, or you are just going on somewhere on vacation from Europe to, let's say, Asia, Africa, Australia. Okay, then these AI agent will do all your flight booking. Okay, and after doing your flight booking, they can manage your daily calendars. Okay, they can help you in your board meetings, negotiation, deals. Literally in business building, the toughest part of building a business is this negotiation, doing deals, and all these things. Okay, and they can book a restaurant on your behalf. Let's say you are planning a date with your girl. Okay, then AI can find the best hotel, the best option for you in your town. Okay, so this is another amazing breakthrough. Mm, what is the potential of agents? Microsoft Copilot has helped Fortune 500 companies put 50 to 70% of their work on automation with the help of agent. Okay, this is really a big breaking finding. Next, we must have focus on ethics. Okay, because if we have given everything, every control to agents, then chances are we have to evaluate ethical values continuously. And so AI agents will rule the entire 2025. This is the number one finding from my perspective. Next, multimodal magic. Okay, so far, if we study, the past time, 2022 and 23, basically we were dealing in a text format only. Okay, text creation and you give some text and it replies in text. That's what happening. You can say content creation. Okay, but now we are in 2025. Text is literally just the beginning of artificial intelligence. We have started making images, audio, video, coding, everything has already been started. So what we will see in 2025 more. First, we will have fast. It's going to be fast, and there will be more enhancement in creativity. Okay, Grok 3 is already coding the 3D games, so we can expect these things are going to be combined in just one model. Like, let's take example. You do coding from ChatGPT, you do images from Leonardo AI, or ChatGPT or Grok, and then there is another tool to generate audio for you. Then you run into another tool, which is Pika or Kling, to generate your videos, and then you do coding from Cloudy or Grok 3. Okay, so everything is scattered. But what will happen in 2025? We will club everything in just one tool. So you don't need to pay at every subscription. It's just one subscription is enough for you. Okay, but the challenge is the energy cost will rise because these tools consume too much energy. Okay, so what is ReThynk AI take? More creative work will be, here by, will be done by multimodals. You have one multimodal which is going to do everything for you. Let's say mm, this is your entire project, and in this project you need image. Okay, are you going to run to another tool to make the image? And if you are going to another tool, you have to create the prompt again. And then you need, what if you need video? Are you going to create another prompt for another tool? All you need, or we should have everything in just one model, and 2025 will make it possible for us. Next, smarter reasoning. Reasoning is like those who come from tech background or art background, they unable to understand the importance of reasoning. Okay, yesterday one of my Apple there was a tweet from Apple CEO, and I replied something in that tweet that this is the time for Apple to rethink its innovation strategy. Okay, and people were liking it. They were liking it. So what is happening when you comes from art background? You think you see everything from design perspective. But when you come from technology background, you see everything from tech perspective. But most important thing is reasoning. Okay, and in 2025 we will see that these models, LLM models, have thinking like us, the human beings. Okay, GPT 4.5 has logic. Okay, but they are not enough as of now, because in 2025 we have to keep our journey going toward AGI. So GPT 4.5 will have logic like reasoning, reflective thinking. Okay, and it can go in a smarter logic where we need advanced human understanding. Okay, that will happen soon. Next thing, when it comes to taking mental decisions, like just I'm taking one example. Should I invest in this deal, or should I don't invest in this deal? What if this stock is the big stock, but I'm missing this opportunity? Okay, when you make these mental decisions, it takes lots of energy out of you. Okay, and it literally deprive you out of the gist, out of the energy, the vibes that keep you going and keep you energetic throughout the day. Okay, so now reasoning or LLMs will help, or artificial intelligence, whatever you want to consider, will solve complex puzzles, legal practices, climate changes for us. And in fact, it will save lots of energy for us, and it will keep us going throughout the day without getting deprived of our mental energy. But the challenge is, it will lead to more competitions instead of collaboration. Okay, and at a later stage, these models can become part of war-like situations. What if countries start using artificial intelligence for wars? That will be a big challenge for humanity. At ReThynk AI, we particularly believe in the democratization of artificial intelligence. That's what we stand about artificial intelligence, or what that was our stand on day one about artificial intelligence, and we have the still same stand. That's why we have tagline pioneering AI future, not for growth of finance, but for humanity. So what is Rethink AI take? Reasoning will become smarter, and it will be our next step towards AGI. Okay, small but mighty. Rise of SLM, small language models. Okay, generally it's believed that technology to be powerful, it should be, bigger chips and circuit board or motherboard or everything, but that's not necessary. Now we need lean models, okay, so that we can use them in phone, we can use them in homes. Okay, they should be lean, cheap, and smart. Okay, we are making them affordable, but we have to make them compact as well, whether it's cheap, whether it's robotic size design. Okay, and then they need to be smart so that we can have their integration in around our home. We want our home to be a center where we can use all these tools, all these technologies to make our life better. Okay, however, with these changes, security risk will grow for us. Okay, so what is Rethink AI take? AI will become center of every home in 2025. Next, science supercharged. AI needs discovery. Okay, so what will happen? These artificial intelligence is getting better, right? But it's not only going to make our life better; it's going to fuel up the entire science and research and development. Okay, you can say R&D. So we can see in 2025 there will be new drugs will come out, new space explorations, or focus on creation of fusion energy. Okay, we will see. Sorry, um, green energy. Okay, or cut on those energy which we are generating with lots of carbon emission. So we will have massive development in healthcare, finances. Okay, with the help of artificial intelligence, we can make better decision, and we can analyze our stock portfolios with the help of artificial intelligence. And plus, there will be huge development in the field of research. So often team members ask me, Jaideep, are you worried about artificial intelligence? I'm not. And I'm happy that artificial intelligence is now becoming the part of research. So, according to Anthropic CEO, you can compress to the entire 21st century. A decade of development will happen in next 5 years. So that's great. That's why I'm full of appreciation about artificial intelligence entering into research. And but the real challenge is so far we have been developing so many things, but no FDA approval has been given to any drug so far generated out of artificial intelligence. But chances are we will see it in 2025. Do you think AI will have major impact in science and research? And that's why I'm so excited. Oh, finally, rethink AI flag. Sorry, artificial intelligence flag. Yesterday, I was wondering about what should be the flag design of artificial intelligence. So I designed this flag. This AI. This is AI rethink AI logo, but it's not just for rethink AI. It's uh, it's a desire to take artificial intelligence everywhere and make it and keep it affordable, accessible, and authentic. If you like to use this as I think AI flag, you can. Sovereign AI. Okay. Nation will try to take control of artificial intelligence in 2025. We have shown the map of the world, and there is a, you can say, there is a uh, tug war between the different countries who is going to be ahead in terms of artificial intelligence. And yeah, we can say that there can be rise of nationalism in artificial intelligence, and there are certain patterns, but I'm waiting for more information to come out. Okay, but still I can say that so many things are happening, but I'm not dropping the name as of now. So US, China, and European Union are already, developing it as a large scale, and I'm really happy that they are developing it and they are making it open source. But what if? At a time, every country decide to keep it, stop the open source model. Okay, or they start developing artificial intelligence for country first only policy. Okay, then that will be a challenge for us. Okay, so yes, due to this, global collaboration will be at risk. Okay, chances are in 2025, global collaboration will take a setback. Okay, things happen sometime. Okay, what will be memory upgrade? AI remembers all, but with more, memory upgrade. So far, token limits is, use. But even if you take the bare minimum number, which is 128K token, okay, still it has used memory. But with time in 2025, the memory will expand to multiple of billions of token. Okay, so it will give the power to AI agents, and it will make it towards personalization of artificial intelligence. Then we can have privacy red flags. Okay, it can, if the memory is going to that level, then we can have privacy issues certainly for everyone. Like, you know there is people have started misusing the information of other people, which is already available on internet. Okay, deepfake is the biggest example, and celebrities are uh, a direct target of deepfake. So, if you ask me what celebrities should do to protect them from deepfake, okay, they should come up with their own rules and regulations. Okay, you can take any examples. Let's say Jaideep is the celebrity. In that case, what can I do? I can have my own rules and regulations about using my information which is available in public domain. So I can have rules and regulations, like if you are using it for education purpose or to help the society, then yes. However, if you are doing it for financial purpose, then you should talk to my manager first. Or if you are using it for any purpose that can harm my image or that can impact my company's values and reputations, then I hold the I hold the authority, or I hold the right to take legal action against you. So celebrities should come up with their own artificial intelligence related rules and regulations about uh, their content or information which is available in public domain. Okay, rethink AI, take AI improve, AI memory and processing will improve exponentially in 2025, and that will be amazing for us. Greener AI, we will move toward greener AI. Okay, in from 2020, or you can say 2018, 2020 onward, there was sudden jump in carbon CO2 emission. Okay, and then we have water as cooling of these data centers. So what happens basically, when you are using artificial advanced technologies, then you use, first you emit carbon, and then you use water to as a coolant. Okay, coolant is the right term. Then we are literally impacting the environment. But in 2025, we can see greener AI, sustainable technology, or we can move toward zero water data centers. That will be a big breakthrough. Okay, 90% accurate, we can make, not now, this is also 2025, but by the end of 2025, we will be able to make 90% accurate climate predictions. Okay, that will be good for policymakers particularly. Okay, training still power. Training is still a challenge because training consumes use energy. Okay, so maybe chances are we can make it, training sustainable. We can see development towards greener future. Okay, yes, it's not that easy, but we will make significant, steps toward greener future. Creativity will boom this year. AI is wild art, games, music, videos. There are literally millions of people. They are making games, music, videos. Okay, Group 3 is the best example. You can make a 3D game without the knowledge of coding. And yes, and that's great. And there earlier we had games like GTA Vice City, where we were playing the game in the actual ZTA, Vice City environment. But in 2025, we will see a major update where we can, use our own city as or our own society uh, as the base model of the game. That will be a really game-changing thing. Like you are playing in the game in your family environment, in your home environment, or in your locality environment. Next most important thing, instead of now playing on behalf of those character, or those were playing on your behalf, in 2025 we will have our own character based game. Like this is a taekwondo game, and instead of having picking this as a character, I can replicate myself and then I can play that game. Okay, cost will drop, but deep fake will rise due to it. So it's a deep recommendation for celebrities. Please come out. This is the right time to come out with your own AI rule and regulations about your personal content, personal information, or professional information that is available on public platform. Okay, rules will lag behind because if you see the tech development is very fast, but the policymakers are, needs more time to catch up with the speed of artificial intelligence and development. So, what is Rethink AI Take? Creativity will boom in and throughout 2025, and I hope it will help you in getting greater success. Regulation rush. Companies, countries are trying, not only local bodies, but national bodies are trying their best to come up with enough rules and regulations to catch up with that speed. One good example is UAI Act. Okay, then okay, but if you take example of EU, they are basically focusing on EU AI Act, where they are trying to protect, or they are making the rules and regulations to protect the citizen from the possible impact of artificial intelligence. However, as per my understanding, when we study US, then US will have major innovation in artificial intelligence throughout 2025. Okay, in terms of regulations and technology, they will lead in technology. However, chances are we can say a few rules and regulations as well. However, no one can assure it. Patchworks, we have to work on rules and regulations. Our take at Rethink AI is we need more regulations globally, so that when you get your greater success, rules and regulations are going to protect you as well. So, what is final prediction in 2025? First of all, technology is getting far ahead, and it's really hard to make predictions on the basis of anything now. In last 2 years, we have seen more development as we have seen in last 3 years. Okay, so revolution is here. Either act uh, or adapt, or it will leave you far behind. Okay, so far, what is your biggest take on AI for 2025? Share with me in the comment section. And by now, you got to know that we read all your comments and we give reply to all your questions and queries. Okay, most importantly, subscribe to Rethink AI for your greater success, so that we can help you use artificial intelligence for your advancement and development. So, what is the last thought? 2025 AI, in 2025, AI innovations is not just about tech, but it's about a revolution. Okay, in 2025, we will see the entire revolution, where we will develop an ecosystem of artificial intelligence development. Okay, so far, this is another, again, a great lecture by Rethink AI. Share your thoughts, opinion, ideas in the comment section. I would love to read that. This lecture has been prepared by Rethink AI, researched by Rethink AI. presented by me, founder and director of ReThynk AI. And these slides were prepared by Vista Libreta. If you have any questions or if you want me to cover any particular idea, you can share with me in the comment section and I'm going to read that. So far, we are doing good. Thank you for your support. Take care of yourself. Have greater success. See you soon.